So guys, today we'll play Cars Fastest as Lightning. And if you want to
see more videos of this,
just
like this video, and we'll give it to you, don't we?
Yeah. If you give us 20 views,
20 views, yeah.
And we get to be happy if we do that.
Yeah, and then we'll upload more, don't we?
Yeah.
Don't we?
So, guys, you have to give us thumbs up.
Yeah, so at least
not thumbs down.
No, not thumbs down. Oh, we didn't win that because we need to upgrade, but yeah.
Let's go back.
If you did, then we should upgrade. So let's go on race. Then we're gonna upgrade. And yeah, we'll just do some challenges.
And now it's upgrading, so we have to wait for tomorrow.
Yes.
So guys, this is the first one of Mater, not the boss.
Yeah.
This Mater.
Yeah.
He's very hard.
Let's see what it has to do. Have decoration on chickens, the racetrack. Okay, we could do that.
So guys.
Yeah. What we need to do is put some decoration on chickens racetrack. So there's one. And 3 more, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, we've done it already.
Cause it's full.
Yeah, it's full. Race using Guido.
Yeah. So we go to on practice then.
Yeah.
And we're on practice.
Okay, we need to do 3. This might be a short video, but yeah.
Tomorrow is the first one of Meter anyway.
Yeah, and tomorrow we'll show you a better video, like more longer.
Of the second of Meter.
Yeah.
Oh, they see that?
Yeah.
He just twisted Guido. So, if we see Guido twisted, we do the replay.
Yeah. Guys, who's your favourite character from Cars?
It's Chitokuoki, but it's long to take.
Yeah. Which Cars movie did you like best?
I did like...
I like all of them.
I like all of them as well. We got like Danko Chicklets in there, but I don't know Chicklets. And we will have to finish it off later.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay.
We'll pause it after, and then we'll pause it.
And let's race.
Yeah. We'll pause it after until we get another fuel, don't we?
Yeah.
Last petrol to finish the challenge, and then.
We can't. If we could, we don't want to pause it.
Yeah.
So guys, if you give us views and thumbs up.
Yeah.
Not thumbs down.
No, thumbs down.
And if you not give us thumbs up, that means we will delete that. So if you have to be good, be very good.
Yeah.
So we got that one already. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 left, and then we got.
So guys, we're gonna pause it right now.
And
until this the last fuel is gonna be.
But we didn't need to pause it. So let's go to town.
Oh yeah, we don't need to pause it. Yeah, he's right. Because
so if it's
how long is this?
Oh, it's nearly finished. That's nearly finished.
Yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, we'll keep up to date right now because it's almost finished. And
no, it's just coming go up.
Yeah.
Or something.
So okay, our fuel is here. So let's race and.
So we are good to go on.
Let's do the first one.
Yeah.
I haven't got that first one.
And no waste to it first one.
So it needs to be
Luigi.
Oh, Luigi.
Okay. Let's be more, guys.
Let me know.
Don't be like my brother be like Luigi. And don't be like that.
Oh yeah, this is not Luigi, is it?
And I saw
yeah.
and we saw a tractor on the road.
Yeah.
Right now.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. And he won!
Woo. I actually forgot that like we haven't completed the challenge yet because
Oh, we got 3
I kind of made a mistake.
4 more. Then we got the paint job. 4. You got 1 more left. You got 1 more left.
Yeah.
What's something else I want to say? No, this is so long. How long is this now?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
So guys,
we wait here.
there's gonna be a kind of long, so we'll pause it here and then
it's finished.
Yeah,
now.
until the fuel is finished, we'll show you. Yep. So
see you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Wait, let's do that. Okay, guys, we back. It is like 0 minutes left, and we have to wait here. So we just wait here then, and then we will just do the race with Mater. So if you like it and that like me has to it. So it's 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We can't do it yet because we need to do the fuel.
Yeah. And it's greater. Now, let's pause again, and if you like this episode, make your favorite, subscribe. Thanks for watching!